Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of audio cables with a review of what many consider to be the best SpeakOn to XLR cables on the market. These are the BU pack of two 10-feet SpeakOn to XLR cables. Designed for professional audio applications, these cables are crafted to deliver reliable and interference-free audio transmission. Let's start with the build quality. The BU cables feature oxygen-free copper conductors, ensuring superior signal integrity without any loss or delay. This is crucial for maintaining pristine audio quality in live performances or studio recordings. The cables come with a SpeakOn male connector on one end and a 3-pin XLR female connector on the other. This makes them versatile for connecting microphones, speakers, mixers, and amplifiers in various setups like DJ booths, stages, or recording studios. What sets these cables apart is their durable construction. They're built to withstand tough conditions with a high-impact rubber jacket that's resistant to twisting, pulling, and wear. This ensures longevity even with frequent use and movement. Additionally, the connectors are equipped with a twist lock mechanism, providing a secure and stable connection. This feature is particularly useful in environments where vibrations or movement could potentially loosen traditional connectors. These cables are compatible with a wide range of audio devices that use 3-pin XLR connections, such as microphones, speakers, monitors, and more. Whether you're setting up a PA system, a conference room, or a studio, these cables offer reliable performance. While we don't delve into customer reviews today, it's worth noting that these cables have garnered positive feedback for their robust build quality and reliable performance in real-world applications. To sum it up, the BU pack of two 10-feet SpeakOn to XLR cables are an excellent choice for anyone looking for reliable audio cables that deliver on performance and durability. Whether you're a professional sound engineer or a hobbyist setting up your home studio, these cables won't disappoint. If you're interested in upgrading your audio setup with these cables, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product critiques.